One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. I doubt this is a one owner car, and I don't even know what year it is. I got the hood, got the fenders, got some extra parts. It's a MG Midget of some year or another. Got 6 knockoff wheels with 4 knockoff cabs. I'm gonna go around it, kind of show you everything. Even around the rear wheel arches and everything, it's a super clean little car. See underneath, the driver's floor is pretty rusty-ish. You can see right there, that's the worst part. But it's got a roll bar, for whatever that's worth. The doors and everything are really tight and clean. Like I say, quarters are clean. It's not a rusty car. Somebody tapped it in the back, there's Bondo on it. Trunk's clean and all. I mean, it's dirty clean, dirty clean. What?
When I put this in the candy thing, it's just gone in the candy thing.
That's a bummer. I gotta do a video, okay? You wanna say hi to subscribers? Say hi, subscribers.
Hi, subscribers.
Yeah, he's pissed off about his Lego. Got a steering column, got a transmission. That's my spare, it don't come with it. But transmission, steering column, 2 extra wheels. This is some parts. I mean, I'm gonna throw it in with it because it is what it is. But it's a clean project car.
And someone I need to show you.
Show what?
Our feet are gone.
Is that Thanos?
Yeah.
They're inside, go find them. Okay, so, like I say, quarters, everything are clean. It's a clean car. I don't know, check my website, oneownercarguy.com, and you'll see everything about it. I'll take some pictures, inside, outside, the whole deal. I mean, here's the rear deck lid, and we just washed it, so there's water in it right now. But we got all the gauges over there. The front window molding and everything is actually really nice. The aluminum or what have you. The window obviously is broken, but that's pretty much it, man. It's just it's a good little project car for somebody with a roll bar. I don't think I've ever seen one with a roll bar. Got the fenders, they're clean. That's the rear part, I think. And that's the deal. This is a 19-something MG Midget. So there you go. That's the video. All kinds of cars. Check my website. I get all kinds of stuff coming through here. Kind of rare stuff, kind of unique stuff. Just sometimes just regular stuff. There's the VIN number as I know it. And I'll kind of look this up and try and figure it out a bit. From up top, here's a better look in the trunk, inside of it and all that. It is a clean car, but you're going to need to do some work on the floorboards there, as you can see. It's a project car at the very best. I mean, it is, at the very essence of the word, a project car. And I'm going to do some looking, figure out the year at some point here tomorrow. But that's the video, man. That's the car. I also got this box of stuff. It's mostly just old parts, but there is some cool stuff in it. There's a couple switches. So I'm just going to include this license thing. Just going to include the rear view mirror I think I seen there. Just include it with it. But that is the car, man. It's what it is. What it is a cheap project for somebody I think you're going to have a lot of fun with. So there you go. Check my website, oneownercarguy.com, and give me a call, 406-546-8748.